Hey guys, this is Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I want to bring this brand new addition. This is a 1933 Vicky. It's got a 350 in it. It's an automatic. It's got the bucket seats. It's got the awesome steering wheel. Thing is awesome. This one is all fiberglass. Does have a steel hood. It's got a wiper. It's got AC. It's got all the good stuff. What we're going to do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. This 33 is awesome. It's got cold air, very well priced. It's got the 350 that you want. Looks great, drives even better. Lots of money's been put into it. The engine has been built. It's nothing crazy, so you can still drive it. The body's in really good shape. The paint's in great shape. It's got a few little flaws on it here and there, but what classics don't? They did such a good job with this one. The build was definitely done right. Wheels are in great shape. Got your staggered offset. LED lights, great sound. It's definitely got that flare with that pinstripe as well. This is a fiberglass body. Dual fans in the front for your pusher and your puller fan. Let's take a look at the engine. You can hear that AC blasting. Firewall's in great shape. Edelbrock intake, it's got rollers, Edelbrock carb, HEI ignition, sanding compressor, all the good stuff. Fitment is nice. Interior here, it's got the tweed seats, front and back, lots of leg room. Lokar steering wheel, odometer gauges, all the gauges do work. AC is right here. Got some good speakers. Panasonic radio. Definitely if you want that cassette and jam out, this does work. Good song. Fitment's nice and tight. Obviously no trunk. Do have the suicide doors. Power windows. Again, the seats are in great shape. There's no rips or tears. Headliner's in good shape. And the carpet under here is in good shape too. Let's get into a test drive. Let's get in this drive. I said radio works. You guys were hearing that earlier. Radio works, horn works, tilt column. That's going to be the lights, wiper, little wiper. Windows do work. Those go up and down nice and smooth. Well, smooth going up. And that one is a little slow, and that's all the way up. Get those down. And let's get to going. No seat belts in this one. Got a little bit of a squeak in there. Can't quite tell exactly. Exactly where that squeak's kind of coming from. That's coming from that back driver. Take a look at that when we get back. But it runs out real nice. All these have a little bit of noise. The brakes are really nice. That's the that runs. I think that might be the brake. We'll take a look and we'll see exactly what that is. That runs real good. Dang it, actually it runs out really nice, just like it's supposed to. Definitely you can see all the photos, undercarriage, everything directly, classiccaraddict.com. Also have nationwide transport and financing available right directly on our website, classiccaraddict.com. Out just like it's supposed to. It's a little squeaky, but there's not many classics that aren't just a little squeaky, you know what I mean? Like always, like, subscribe, and follow us on all the socials. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, here's the undercarriage on that 33. This thing's got all the good upgrades, all the right stuff. It's got your Ford 9-inch aluminum gas tank, Dynomax mufflers, dual exhaust, power, wheelwood, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's a trans cooler on your trans pan. It also does have an external trans cooler. Ride Tech coilovers. It's got your upgraded oil pan for your engine and all the right stuff. Pusher puller fans, everything that you need.